Hi, it's Adam here from Marketing is Your Business. So what I'm going to show you now is a better way to get ranked on Google Maps. So hopefully you've already got a Google business profile set up. If not, I'll be doing more trainings and linking to other videos where it covers all of that and how to do it. However, I use a certain piece of software. It's relatively cheap. You can just sign up for it online. And this really helps me rank businesses on Google Business Profile. So if you're not sure what Google Business Profile, if I was to type in roofer in Newcastle, go run a search, as you come down, you're going to get your sponsored ads. But under here, you're going to get your local business. Trustmark, AM Roofing, RJ Rowley, KL Smith. All of these are ranking on maps for whatever reason. Okay. Now, if you can get, obviously you've got the sponsored one, but if you can get in this top three, the map pack, you will generate loads and loads of leads just from there, and it can be done organically. Okay. Now, if you look at the important things here, they've all got reviews, 63 in that case. They've got the information on there. This AM Roofing, however, doesn't even have a website, so I might even contact them and offer that as a service. However, they are probably generating absolutely loads of work just off of this on its own. Okay, so when you click on one of those, so if we go up AM Roofing, okay, it brings up information about their business, where they are, what services they offer, reviews they have, photos, all the different things. Reviews there, they've just had one bad review. Okay, and you can have lots and lots of different stuff there. Okay, but like I said, add your photos and get loads of free exposure just from this. Now, what I found was this tool. I was used to use one, well, I still do use it, called Bright Local. I'll put some links down below in the descriptions. So here, Bright Local. This is manages all your citations, where you're found online. It can do all your keyword research. Absolutely brilliant. And it is quite cheap, if I remember rightly. I used to have the agency pack, so I was on like this one here. But that's $35, about 30 quid. That's if you're buying it monthly. Rank trackers, local search grid credits, citation trackers, does all of this, Google Business Profile audits, absolutely loads on there. And if you can get that, understand what it means, it can make a massive difference to your business. But what it was, I changed to this one called Localo. So I still use Bright Local. I use it for citations and tracking and different things, but I really like this Localo. Okay, so I'll log into my account. Okay, so on here, I've got a couple of locations in this one, and I've got more on a different account. But what it is, you put in the keywords that you want to rank for. I'll just let this lower. I've got, this is more of my personal ones. Enfield Company, I've one down in Enfield, and Cladwise up here. Okay, now every week it will give you tasks to follow. You can put in up to 10 keywords, give you statistics of what's happening, your positions in the local areas. Then on here, posts, replies, review posters, all sorts of great stuff, audit, all of this sort of stuff you can look at to help you rank. As you can see on this one, we're number one there. First stage refresher, we're number two, number one. This one, I've been trying to improve it, so it's going up steadily. Number one, drop there. First aid at work, course number two, number one. So that isn't bad, because these are the searches generated each month from these. Pediatric first aid courses, there are searches for that one. First aid courses. So you see what I mean? This amount of search and traffic you get from this. But the great thing is, if you go here, tasks, it tells you what to do this week. Okay. Create and schedule a Google post. So we can click in add a picture. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to go to Canva, and I'll do more training on Canva as we go because it's an absolute brilliant piece of kit. Great design. I know the best size for this is about 800 by 800. Normally do square designs. Photos. Okay, loads of pickies there. So let me go that one. Then give it a title. I'll just download now. Now, you with Localo, you have AI built in. So I'm going to let it write me post. Okay, got okay. Call to action. Website in. Okay, and I want that published. Schedule post. Okay, one task done. Right service areas. Gives you loads of information what you're looking for. I know how to do that. I've already done it. Share info and get a 30% discount. Oh, okay. So, oh, okay then. Cool. Okay, I'll have a look at that and I'll do that. I was going to do it anyway because I was going to send you the link, so I may as well do that. But I can come out of there. And what I do, I use this for doing loads of bits and pieces. Okay, so another one, digital CICR agency. You know, so again, tasks. Create and schedule Google Post. So this time I'm going to look for don't know that one. That's different. Okay, so I've downloaded that one now. Come up. Let's see what comes up. There you go, like that. Schedule post. That's done. Add your company to a directory. Oh, now solicit 2 Google reviews. So it provides you like a poster. So you can have a look, see what else you want to do. And then you can download that poster, and it gives you a QR code that your customers that can then scan that QR code. To a directory. You see here, it's telling you, right, put your company on here and on here and on here. So again, cross at Bright Local. These basically what we call a citation. So what you have at these is say Yelp, Thompson Local, all these different directories that are out there. Basically, you put on there, all your business details, and they create a high ranking backlink to your website that gets read by Google and search engines. Okay, and what Bright Local does is it gives you a way to manage it all together. It's really, really good. So locations overview. Okay, so there's okay. So you get all these different things in here, schedulers, which I've got inside Localo, sync core information, and see where you've got all of these. This sort of business information, and then over here you get a citation builder, and you can add it to different networks and different things. So you can see how many listings you've got, how many citations you've got, all this information going on. So as you can see here, all these are live citations. So these ones been submitted, they still work. Pending, I'm on Bing, so I don't know why that's there. Google, Thompson Local, okay. So it gives you everything so you can look at it and see what needs doing and what needs updating. Okay. So that's what you have there. So like I said, Bright Local, really, really useful. Okay, so now there, I know it's added to a couple of directories, so I'll come back to that later. Okay, all those tasks complete, and you just work through, and as it says here, new tasks in 5 days, and it's there to keep you straight. So I'll put a link down for Localo down below. It's a really good system, really helps you keep on track with what you're doing, like massively. And it's been a real game changer. So what I would do here, search engine optimization is a big keyword for me. I'll go and do a couple of posts about search engine optimization, share that on Facebook, share it on the web pages, share it in your Google business, and I know that will start pushing up again. Okay, and the same with a lot of these. Web designer, I'll do another one on there, website design, and it will just push me back up the rankings to where I want to. Okay, so Localo, highly recommended, very easy, very simple to use. Okay. Right, so I hope you enjoyed the video. If you've got any questions about it, I'll put a link down below. But yeah, just hit me up with anything you want to know.